Hi there, I'm Syed Muzaffar Tirmizi and I'm back with more freelancing tips, and these tips will help you in taking your freelancing career to a new height. A lot of guys are trying to get into this industry, but what they see is freelancers living really good lifestyle and making a lot of money with least amount of effort, but that's not the reality. So today's video is for all those guys who want to get into this freelancing business. So there are some things that they need to know, and I'm going to show you the dark side of freelancing today. So the first thing that everyone who wants to become a freelancer needs to ask himself: why you want to do freelancing? Why you want to become a freelancer? Is this the reason that some of your friends are doing freelancing, or somebody in your family is a freelancer and he is making a lot of money, he has lots of gadgets and he's traveling all the time and enjoying life? Have you seen this and that has inspired you to become a freelancer? You just saw the destination, but you haven't seen all the hard work that goes with the territory. All the sleepless nights that the other freelancers, the successful freelancers, have to suffer, and the bad jobs that they have done when things did not go the way they wanted, when they got scammed. So many things go wrong and you have not seen all those things. But the destination you have seen will take you months, years for you to achieve the same level. Do you have the discipline to stay committed to learning freelancing and keep on working for years? You have to ask this question to yourself. Do you have the commitment, the discipline to stay motivated and keep motivating yourself to keep on working without getting paid? Because initially you won't be paid that much, at least. So you have to do it for a long period of time in order to get any success. So it's not going to be easy. It's going to be an uphill task. So you have to be very, very careful in planning your freelancing career. I'm not here to discourage you, but this is the reality. It's not going to be easy. Second thing is, what is your current plan? And what's your plan according to that situation? Like, are you doing a job and with that job you want to start freelancing? What is your plan for that? How you are going to achieve that? Lots of responsibilities if you have kids. Like, you have to run your home. So what are your plans for running the home? And then you have to move towards freelancing. So what is that plan? Have you shared your plan with somebody else? Have you taken external advice from somebody who is in the business? What advice have they given you? If you want to do freelancing, you must have some kind of skills that you have to offer to other people, and you will get paid for the services, or what kind of product you are selling. So you have to ask yourself, if you do not have any skills, then you would have to eventually learn that skill, and that learning process can take months. And once you have learned the skill, that is like, you would be at an average level, and average guys do not get paid that much. So you have to ask yourself, you would have to learn the whole skills. Have you studied the platform or selected the platform where you are going to work? Because every platform is different and every platform have their own pros and cons. Have you done your research on the platform where you are going to start your freelancing business? In my next few videos, I am going to create a video for the best platforms. Normally, people just know 1, 2, 3 platforms, but that's not the reality. There are so many other places. Opportunities are available in so many different websites and even on social media. How to exploit those opportunities, I'm going to create more videos on that in my future videos. So stay tuned to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, because future videos things are just going to get better and better. So I hope you guys will benefit from all the tips that I have given you. So for the people who want to enter into freelancing, these were my tips, these were my suggestions, questions that you need to ask yourself before you start freelancing, because it's not going to be easy. I'm not here to discourage you. I am here to encourage you, tell you that what the reality is, so that you would have these things in back of your mind, and when something like this will come up in future, like difficult times will come up when there will be no jobs, and you would be constantly sitting there every day trying to find projects, but there won't be any projects. So you would remember that this was bound to happen. So my telling you all these things is just to prepare yourself so you would have the right kind of mindset and you will not get discouraged at that time because you were already aware of the whole thing. Alright, take care of yourself and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, see ya.